Hi, I'm Tara Monster, and I like to make things. Today I'll be showing you how to make this cute shirt I have on. There's a couple techniques I'm going to show you, two today and another one tomorrow. So, let's get crafting. Step 1 is to cut off the arms. I'm going to fold it in half to do that. Now unfold the shirt. Now we're going to cut out the neck in a diagonal. Let's measure with our ruler and mark it with our chalk to have a straight line. I'm making sure to keep Yoda here because I want to leave him on my shirt. So I'm working around him just a little bit for my cuts. Make sure that you're cutting exactly in the middle of this width right here. 12 inches. The next step is to measure in from the sides so that we can make our bows going down. The first one we want to be 16 inches in from the end. Into 16 inches. We want to make them about 2 inches apart. And the next one, we want to be 14 inches in. 2 inches. This one we want to be 12 inches in. And this one we want to be 14 again. And this one we want to be 16 inches again. I'm also just going to cut off the bottom. Now it's time to stretch them out. And cut them right along the seam. And then stretch them again. And now we're going to tie them up. You also want to be sure to cut off the extra seam that was from the side seam. And I'm feeling kind of spicy, so I'm gonna make one more bow cut right here. Cut out the side seam and give it a good stretch. And I'm tying these into bows on here for demonstration purposes, but you might actually want to tie them into bows while it's on your body to make sure that you have the right width to fit your body. And the best thing about this is if you need it to be tighter or smaller, once you try it on, you can just make your cuts go in a little bit further. It's super easy to do. And these are just square knots to make your little bows. And now it's time for the top. Again, you're gonna cut the seams and cut the seams off. Pull them really good so that they curl into ropes. Pull them firmly but gently, just so you don't rip anything. And then you're just going to tie these into a square knot as well. And again, you'll probably want to do this on your body so that you know right where to tie it. So now we have our one shoulder bow halter shirt. And now that we have our Yoda shirt on a model, you can see how you would want to adjust the length of where you tie it by putting the shirt on yourself. You just do a square knot. Square knots for everything we do. And then you can cut off the excess and choose how much of a bow you want to hang down. So this is the first necktie, the second necktie, and then these are the rest of the bow ties going all the way down. You would just adjust these to be the right length to fit around your body. And you can see what a nice bow peekaboo side that gives you. And now I'll show you how I made these asymmetrical lines of holes on the front. And now for the final touch, I'm going to show you how I made these matching rows of cuts on the front of the shirt. On our Yoda shirt, it's going to look like this. Fold in half, side seams are matched up, and then just make some little cuts. Remember that when you open it, your cuts will be twice as wide as what you made them, so make them pretty small. So that's one row of cuts, and now we want to do one more row of cuts for the other two sides. Just fold the shirt one more time and do these same little cuts. Line them up with the cuts you already made. And now open the shirt. And look at that. We now have 3 matching rows of cuts on the front of our shirt. Okay, now it's time for the final try-on. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial on how to make an asymmetrical top with slashes down the front and bows on the side. Tune in tomorrow and I'll show you how to take the back, slash it up, and transform it into this look using a technique called weaving, braiding, or laddering. No matter what you call it, it's all the same thing, and I can't wait to show it to you. If you enjoyed today's video, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel so that you can get a new video every day. See you soon. Bye. And then so that you can see tomorrow's video, please smash that like button and If you enjoyed today's video, subscribe to my channel so that you can get a new